What's going on, Chemical Guys family, and thanks so much for stopping by the Detail Garage. Today we're introducing the best detailing kit, and this is the must-have bundle for the detailing enthusiast in your life. In today's video, we're going to go over what comes inside of this box and how to use it. So let's get started. First off, we have the wash using citrus washing gloss, and this is a perfect way to encapsulate abrasive particles of dust, dirt, and debris. And you can use this in your traditional 2-bucket wash method, your foam cannon or foam gun, using 2 to 3 ounces, and this is going to help lay down a thick blanket of suds. And then using a clean wash mitt, work in linear motions to prevent the installation of any kind of swirls. And this is going to help safely guide off those abrasive particles for a scratch-free finish. Now, at the same time, this is going to be giving your vehicle that ultimate gloss because of those embedded gloss enhancers that help to give your vehicle that ultimate shine. And this is safe for any gloss-colored vehicles. Next, to protect your freshly washed vehicle, apply a thin coat of butter wet wax. Now, it's very easy to use. You can apply it by machine or by hand using the included microfiber applicator pad. It easily applies to any gloss surfaces as well as your glass, your chrome, and anything else you want to protect. Simply apply in that cross-hatching pattern and allow it to bond for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it hazes, then come back with your clean professional microfiber towel and buff it off to a beautiful shine. Speaking of protection, apply wheel guard to your wheels to give your vehicle that overall beautiful gloss, and this is going to help repel water spots, brake dust, and any kind of other dirt that accumulates on the face of your wheel, giving your vehicle that cleaner overall look for longer. Now, it's very easy to apply. Just add a very fine coat using your microfiber applicator pad, give it a moment to bond, then buff off any excess to reveal that beautiful shine. Now, this will stand up to any kind of harsh elements, any inclement weather, as well as the heat that accumulates on the surface of your wheel due to braking. And again, this is going to make it harder for brake dust, road debris, and anything else to stick to the surface. Again, keeping your wheels cleaner for longer. Now, speaking of wheels, we're moving on to the tires. Now, this is an area that as you drive will start to look kind of dingy and dull, or natural blooming of the tire makes it look kind of brown and faded, but VRP has you covered. This is a water-based dressing that's safe for any type of interior and exterior vinyl, rubber, and plastic components, while also adding that durable layer of UV protection, which prevents any kind of fading or discoloration over time. Now, before applying it, you want to ensure that you've thoroughly cleaned the surface using an all-purpose cleaner, then apply a very fine coat of VRP and let it bond for just a moment, then buff off any excess. And if you're looking for even more protection and more shine, you can obviously add a secondary coat, and this is going to give you that beautiful deep black finish. As a final step to your exterior detail, you should be using a quick detail spray, and that's where Speed Wipe comes in. Now, this is a great way to pick up any kind of light dust, fingerprints, or anything you may have missed, such as a very fine layer of butter wet wax. And not only is this going to help safely remove anything that's laying on the surface for a scratch-free finish, but also it's going to help enhance metallic flake and gloss with those added gloss enhancers. Now, simply spray directly onto the surface and wipe it away with your professional grade microfiber towel for a scratch-free finish. Now, speaking of the professional grade microfiber towel, you see that it has 2 different piles. One high pile, which is going to help pick up your waxes, your quick detail sprays, and anything else that's on the surface. Then using the shorter side pile, buff it to a streak-free shine. That silk banded edge is going to prevent any kind of installation of swirls and scratches for the ultimate finish. Lastly, protect all of your leather goods using leather conditioner. Now, before you apply your conditioner, you want to make sure that you've cleaned the surface thoroughly using leather cleaner, and this is going to help promote the long-lasting bond necessary to repel any kind of harsh elements and staining. Now, leather conditioner adds the nutrients that are necessary to reject harsh UV elements and also any kind of stains like your jeans or spills that cause your leather to look and feel awful over time. But the oils are going to help penetrate the surface and revive that supple feel as well as that enriched leather scent. And there you have it, guys. The best detailing kit is the must-have essentials bundle for the detailing enthusiast in your life, and it comes in an awesome box which is easy to wrap, making it a perfect gift. So you can check out the best detailing kit as well as any of the other products you've seen us use today on our website, chemicalguys.com, or your local detail garage. If you guys liked today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to drop your comments down below for any future videos or anything else you may have questions about, and we'll see you guys next time right here in the Detail Garage.